Every computer has a brain. It decides what happens, when it happens, and how fast. It's called the CPU. But what actually is it? What does it really do? And how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're breaking down CPUs from scratch. Simple, clear, and without the usual confusion. Let's get inside the machine. The CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the core component of any computer. It's responsible for executing instructions. Every click, every program, every process goes through the CPU. Think of it as the brain of your system. It takes input, processes it, and tells the rest of the hardware what to do. When you open an app, load a game, or even move your mouse, the CPU is constantly working in the background, performing millions, even billions of calculations every second. But the CPU doesn't work alone. It communicates with other components like RAM, storage, and the graphics card, making sure everything runs smoothly and in the right order. In simple terms, the CPU controls, calculates, and coordinates everything inside your computer. So, how does a CPU actually work? At its core, a CPU follows a simple cycle: fetch, decode, execute. First, it fetches an instruction from memory. Then, it decodes that instruction, figuring out what needs to be done. And finally, it executes it. This process happens incredibly fast, millions, even billions of times per second. Inside the CPU, there are tiny circuits called transistors. These transistors switch on and off, acting like microscopic switches, processing data in binary, ones and zeros. The more efficiently this process runs, the faster your computer feels. Modern CPUs also split work across multiple cores, allowing them to handle several tasks at the same time. So instead of doing one thing after another, they can do many things in parallel. In simple terms, a CPU takes instructions, breaks them down, and executes them at incredible speed, over and over again. Now let's talk about cores and threads. A core is a physical part of the CPU. You can think of each core as its own mini processor, capable of handling tasks independently. A CPU with more cores can handle more things at the same time. For example, a 4-core CPU can work on 4 tasks simultaneously.
Nice.
While an 8-core CPU can handle even more.
That's pretty good.
But then, we have threads. Threads are a bit different. They are virtual paths of execution that allow a single core to handle multiple tasks more efficiently. This is where technologies like hyper-threading come in. One core can work on 2 threads at once, making it seem like there are more cores than there actually are. So if you see a CPU with 6 cores and 12 threads, it means each core is handling 2 threads, improving multitasking and overall performance. In simple terms, cores are the workers, and threads are the tasks they can juggle at the same time. So now you know what a CPU is, how it works. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, we're breaking down GPUs and how they power everything you see on your screen. If you want to truly understand PC building, make sure to follow the series and start building from scratch. See you in the next one.